Alright, so welcome to another vlog. Today, as you can see, we're on the bike. Got it registered yesterday, so I figured I would ride it to work today, so that way, as a follow-up video to the last one, I can get you guys some sound footage, some sound clips, or what have you. Also a good excuse. I'm using a new form of recording. I bought a GoPro media attachment, which allows you to plug in a lapel mic or some sort of external microphone source. So I bought one of those. I also purchased a Purple Panda lapel mic, which is wired into my helmet. So hopefully you guys will be able to hear more of me, less wind noise, better audio quality. I'm hoping you can still hear the bike with the microphone inside the helmet, and I'm hoping the wind noise isn't too bad. I do have a dead cat on my lapel mic, but you never know. So test it out in this video and try to get you some sound clips so you can hear what the Yoshi exhaust sounds like, and we'll go from there. Race car. And sitting here at this red light, I can smell that fresh Yoshi breaking in. That's a good smell. Good smell. Let me go. Ah. Does it feel good to be back on the bike? I've missed this. I miss my bike so much. Really hope it's not too windy for you guys, but I love the sound of the Yoshimura carbon fiber slip-on. Makes the CB300R sound just like a CRF 450 or any Honda CRFs, you know, they're dirt bikes. Sounds just like it. Just like it. It's amazing. Downshifts, it snaps, it crackles, it pops. Gives you all those right noises you really want. I love it. I love it. Ready? Woo! Telling you, she sounds like a dirt bike. I love it. Oh, I love it. It's the law, right? You gotta rev up when you go under a bridge or a tunnel or an overpass. It's the law. You have to. If you don't, what are you doing? What are you doing? You know, you have to. You have to. Oh. Downshifts coming up to lights. Crisp. Crispy. Alright guys, so found the parking lot where I'm going to do this. I really hope this media mod is helping block out some of the wind noise, because it is really windy today. But anyway, this is what we are here for. This is why we are here. That Yoshi exhaust that you guys all wanted to hear. You say it looks great, but you want to hear it. So, upon startup, overall appearance of this bike is just so much better. Alright, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope I was able to capture enough sound clips for you to get a good representation of what this thing's going to sound like if it's on your CB300R. In the next video to come, which will be coming soon, next couple days, I will be putting mirrors and brake levers on it. I have some all black brake levers, adjustable bar end mirrors, just because I don't like those big things. I think they're ugly. So that'll be coming on Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, but I have Tuesday off. I don't work, so probably Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. A couple weeks from now, I have a ride coming up that I'm super excited about. Finally get to bring the bike with all of its new mods, the exhaust, the rear fender delete, the mirror, the levers. I have an LED underglow kit for it that's going on it. All the new mods, and my first time going on a ride that's more than right around town and staying local. I am going for a nice ride. Been pumped about it. Can't wait. Easter Sunday. Stay tuned for that ride. I will be recording the whole thing. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we will see you shortly.